Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Tidio 2026. So actually guys, at first you will need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a Tidio account. If you don't have a Tidio account, you can just go with the search for free option from here or here and just click it. And right now I want you to enter your email, password, website, and then just go with agree to Tidio's terms and conditions and privacy policy, and then click on get started for free. You can also sign up with Facebook, as you can see, and if you already have an account, just go with login option. So once you connected your account to Tidio, go back to Shopify and then just click on the settings, the gear icon on the left hand menu, the last option. So right now I want you to scroll down a little bit and click on the apps on the left hand menu, the apps option, click it just like so, and go with Shopify app store option that's located on the top right of the page. So right now we are going to search and look for Tidio live chat. So you will need to select the search bar and type right there Tidio live chat. Okay, so that's the option, click it, and then just click on install. From here you will be forwarded into a confirmation page, so you will need just to click on install again, and there you go. So that's way you integrated and connected Tidio to your Shopify. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and bye bye.